All right, so in this video, we're going to be having a look at transpositions, and the focus of this video will be on working out the order of the steps. When we start to do transpositions, working out what step to do next can be a bit of a challenge. And this is just a way that you can help guide yourself on working out what the next step is to do. So when we solve equations, most of you will probably know about BIMDAS, and that's an order of operations, meaning then we do multiplication and division, then we do addition and subtraction. Now, with doing transpositions, instead of going this way, we're going to go this way. We go backwards. So we'll do addition and subtraction first, then we'll do multiplication and division, then we'll do binomials and indices. And this is each step by step. I think it'll make more sense once I go through an example. So let's have a look at it. All right, so here we've got a equals t minus 4 squared over 2s, and we want to make t the subject. So I notice t is kind of caught all in the middle there. And I also notice that this whole expression here, that's one term. We don't have any plus whatever there as well. It's just all in one term. So we need to work out what our first step is going to be. So to do that, we're going to start with addition and subtraction. Now, with only one term, there is no addition and subtraction. I know we have a subtraction here, but that's within that term because it's contained within brackets and it's contained within that whole expression. So we can't do there's no addition and subtraction step to start with. Multiplication and division, there is a multiplication and division step we can take because we've got this 2s here, which is division. So we could reverse that with multiplication. Let's have a look at what that's going to look like. We're going to multiply. The step that we're going to take is multiplying by 2s because I want to reverse that term there. So let's multiply by 2s and multiply by 2s. Then when I rewrite it, I'm going to have 2as on this side is equal to. Now this 2s and this 2s are going to cancel each other out, and we're going to be left with t take 4 squared. Now for our next step, we need to go back to the BIMDAS and okay, now we're going to look again. Do we have addition and subtraction? No, because that's all contained within one term. Do we have multiplication and division to get the t by itself? No, we don't. But we do have an indice, which is this squared here. Excuse that noise in the background. Just when you start recording, they start emptying dump trucks. Anyways, so what we're going to do to reverse that squared is we're going to do a square root of both sides. All right, this is what this is going to look like. So we're going to have a square root of this side, and we'll do a square root of this side as well. Now I will rewrite both sides. So we're going to have square root of 2as is equal to. Now my square root and my squared are going to cancel each other out, and we're just going to have t take 4, and I don't need the brackets anymore. Then we go back to work out our next step, and this time we do have addition and subtraction that we can work with because we have this minus 4 here. So since we want to get t by itself, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So I'll go add 4, add 4. And then rewriting it, it will look like square root of 2as plus 4 is equal to t. And since we want to make t the subject, I'm just going to write it around the other way. So we're going to have t is equal to square root of 2as plus 4. And that's going to be my final answer. So takeaway here is that we're focusing on using this BIMDAS thing for working out which step goes next. And each step you're going to start again. So you're going to look at addition and subtraction first, multiplication and division second, and binomials and indices third. Now, you don't have to do it this way. This is just a recommendation of a framework that you can use to help you get started with this. And it can be very helpful. So have a go, see if you can make this work for you in terms of helping you work out what steps to do next, and follow the steps, and hopefully you're going to get the right answer every time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.